The warning automatic braking system fault in a Peugeot vehicle has nothing to do with actual brakes, so you may keep driving, there is no way the basic safety functions will be affected. The automatic braking system relies on the front camera and distance radar. The system applies brakes automatically when it detects a potential collision and prevents the accidents, or at least minimizes the consequences of the impact. The camera is located behind the rearview mirror in the interior, and the radar may be found in various places behind the front bumper or grille depending on the model. So when you see this warning, especially among other warnings, you will want to make sure that the camera and radar areas are clean and not damaged. But since I have access to some statistics, I can say that the most common reason for this warning is the degrading 12-volt battery. It sends low voltage into the system and the front camera starts glitching. The health of the 12-volt battery is the second thing I would check with this warning. Also, it may have been the glitch. If you turn off the car and turn it on again to see that the warning has disappeared, this was just a glitch and there is nothing to worry about unless the warning pops up again within several days. But unfortunately, sometimes this issue may be connected with a damaged camera. There are different reasons why they may get faulty. Some cameras may be broken just because of heat from the sun beams. Some cameras were initially glitchy and it was the manufacturer's fault. So if you see this warning often and the car is still under warranty, the good idea would be to go to the dealership and annoy them till they replace the camera. Otherwise, the repair is going to cost you over €1,000. Also, if the vehicle is not under warranty but not that far out of the warranty period, you can contact the main Peugeot dealer in your country and try to make them cover at least a fraction of the repair costs. But anyway, if the culprit of the warning is a broken camera, there is nothing you can do on your own, unfortunately. Now, the good thing is that the faulty camera is not the most common culprit.